I think most of you know about the hijab controversy in India. If you don't know, here is a quick summary. It began when some Muslim girls at a government college in Karnataka began protesting after they were barred from classes for wearing hijab. The issue quickly turned divisive, with Hindu students turning up in colleges wearing saffron shawls. Fearing violence, the state government shut down high schools and colleges. It doesn't matter where and how this controversy started. What matters is it important for Muslim girls to wear hijab at educational institutions or not? Schools are made for education. People go to schools and college to gain knowledge and learn something. For school, a student is a student, no matter the gender, race, or religion. The school uniform represents equality. Whether you are rich or poor, you wear same uniform. Whether you are Hindu or Muslim, you wear same uniform. This is how schools treat every student equally. What you wear is not your identity, your thoughts, your knowledge. Your name is your identity. If students start wearing hijab and saffron shawls at school, then what is the meaning of school? It will turn into a religious battleground. If someone give more value to hijab that they can skip class and exams for that, then why not go to madrasa instead of going to school? Imagine a girl going to school or college in burqa. Now who can identify who that girl is? How someone can identify the person wearing burqa? Who knows the person is even a student or not, or that person is a girl or a boy? Today some girls are asking to wear hijab at schools and colleges. They say that this is their right. Next day Muslim boys will say that they want to wear topi at school because it is their right. Is religion only for girls? Someone is misguiding these girls for their benefit. If Muslim actress can make movies without wearing hijab, then why Muslim girls can't go to school without hijab? We can follow our religion at our home, at our masjid and temples, but not in school colleges. These places are meant to be neutral and treat every student equally irrespective of their religion. The issue was in the Karnataka High Court. The High Court said that wearing of hijab by Muslim women does not form a part of essential religious practice in the Islamic faith, and the government order was valid, holding that the government had the right to prescribe uniforms for students. But even after the High Court's judgment, these girls are not ready to follow the uniform code. They are saying that they had so much hope in our judicial system and constitutional values, they have been betrayed by their own country. Okay, so if judgment comes in your favor, then you believe in judicial system, and if judgment doesn't come in your favor, then you don't believe in judicial system. So ultimately you are the final judge. Not all Muslim girls go to school and college wearing hijab or burqa. So, this means that wearing a hijab is not an essential part of Islam. It is just a conspiracy by some extremist Islamic groups like Popular Front of India and Campus Front of India, to misguide a particular community, to disturb peace and harmony between Hindu and Muslims. The Udupi College, where all this started, issued guidelines for the academic year in July 2021 prescribing a uniform dress code, but the 6 students complained of discrimination by teachers against them in September. So between July and September, where were these students? Then in December the protest started, and by January the protest had spread to other colleges and districts. So between September and December someone was planning all this to make it a big issue. It can be done by a political party to gain political support of a particular community, or it can be planning of some anti-national groups to incite riots. Some people are trying to raise this issue in international communities to defame the government of India. India is a strong and peaceful country. Some extremist groups try to disturb this peace and harmony, but India knows how to handle them. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a like. Also, if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing.